Hey everyone, welcome back to chatgpt TV. Get ready to lace up your hiking boots because today, we're diving into the breathtaking beauty of Kamikochi, starting at the iconic Kappa Bridge. This bridge is the heartbeat of the valley, and trust me, the views from here are nothing short of spectacular. Picture this, majestic mountains standing tall and proud, while the Azusa River flows beneath us, sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight. It's the perfect kickoff for an epic adventure in nature. As I step away from Kappa Bridge, I'm hitting the trail that hugs the river's edge. Can you hear that? The soothing sound of water rushing by is like nature's own soundtrack, setting the rhythm for our hike. The air is crisp and refreshing, and the river is so clear you can see every single rock below. It's like walking alongside a crystal-clear dream. This place is all about peace and tranquility, and I'm soaking it all in. Now, as we wander deeper into the forest, the atmosphere shifts into pure magic. The towering trees create a stunning canopy overhead, and the sunlight dances through the leaves, casting beautiful patterns on the ground. It's like stepping into a serene painting. And you know what? Even when I'm out here solo, it's not lonely at all. It feels like the forest is my companion, guiding me on this amazing journey. But wait, there's more. The sounds of the forest envelop me. The chirping birds and the gentle rustle of the wind through the branches create a perfect harmony. It's so easy to unwind here, to breathe deeply, and to let your mind drift away from the chaos of everyday life. As I make my way toward Myojin, the crowd starts to thin out, and the trail feels even more inviting. The air is quieter and softer, and those stunning mountain views peek through the trees like nature's little surprises. I'm taking my sweet time because every twist and turn reveals something gorgeous that just begs to be admired. And then bam, I arrive at the sacred Myojin area. Wow. The energy here is on a whole new level. It's a calm that goes beyond the surface, almost spiritual. When I reach Myojin Pond, it's like stepping into a postcard. The water is so still it perfectly mirrors the trees and sky. It feels like a hidden gem, a secret oasis cradled by nature. The silence here wraps around me, encouraging me to slow down and soak in the serenity. It's a reminder to hit pause, take a breather, and relish the unspoiled beauty around us. So, hiking from Kappa Bridge to Myojin Pond isn't just a stroll. It's a meaningful journey that clears the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. The trail, the river, the mountains, and the forest all blend together to create an unforgettable experience that refreshes the soul. Thanks for joining me on this exhilarating adventure through Kamikochi. If you're all about nature, slow travel, and awesome outdoor escapades, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to chatgpt TV. Can't wait to catch you on our next adventure. Let's keep exploring.
Mắc ở đâu? Hà Nội không?
Thank you.